Post it now. Oh no, okay. Hey guys, this is Carson with Tell Us Tuesday, and you know what my favorite thing is to do? Find out local businesses. And I have two of the best guys. They're from Helena. So I have Lawson Smith
Hey guys.
and Ethan Trim. So let's talk about you guys' construction business, and you guys are going to do a project for me. And tell me how you got started in it, and what's the best thing you like about it?
Okay. So as far
You're
as
Lawson Smith.
I'm Lawson Smith with Dixie Restoration Construction. We got started working with my brother up in Gardendale. He owns Rapid Restoration and Construction. He kind of showed us the ropes. We do a lot of roofing, siding, gutters. We do some interior remodeling as well, so kitchen and bathroom remodels, flooring, pretty much anything, you know, from laying a foundation on a house to putting a roof on it, and then anything in between we can kind of take care of. So we like to consider ourselves a one-stop shop. I would say my favorite thing to do is probably roofing. It's simple, and you know, it's pretty good for business. So I think ultimately speaking, that's what I'd say is my favorite. He might have another.
I'm Ethan Trim, and my favorite thing to do is remodeling. I like to do interior and exterior remodels because I like to have the eye for it, and I like to make it look the way I want it to be done, and it's top quality.
So have you guys had an experience that you weren't sure was going to turn out right, but you made it work?
So we had a tree hit a house back on Memorial Day, and we had to pretty much crane it off the house. Water flooded the house. We had to practically strip it down to the bones and rebuild it from the ground up. That took a long time. It took about 5 months, but you know, trials and tribulations through the process, and it ended up turning out really good. The homeowners were happy. Insurance covered it, and so.
That's awesome. Well, I am so glad to have some reliable contractors. So you guys know what? How did they get a hold of you?
Facebook, and we've known you for a long time.
Okay, well, thank you guys. I'll give you their information down below. Thanks.